Jain students, let us begin with exercise 6.2 of the chapter Triangle and its properties. But before we begin, let us begin this exercise with a motivational thought by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam said that difficulties don't come to your life to destroy you, but it comes to take out your hidden potential and talent. Let difficulty also know how difficult you are. So let us begin with this and in exercise 6.2, let us do question number 1, first part. In it, the question is that the figure is given. This is exterior angle about which I already have discussed in the previous video, and these are the opposite interior angles, and here we have to find the unknown exterior angle, that is x. So first, you people already know that exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, now over here your exterior angle is x, so this is exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle, so the angle those are opposite are 50 degree and 70 degree. In this way, the value of x you people get as 120 degree, because when you add 50 and 70 degree, you get 120 degree. After this, now let us do the third part, and in third part, the figure that is made is in this manner. In this angle is given as 30 degree, this is given as 40 degree, and this is given as x. Now over here, this is the exterior angle and these are the opposite interior angles. So you will write down exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. Then exterior angle is x equals to, and interior opposite angles are 30 degree and 40 degree. Now when it is so you observe that 30 plus 40 is 70 degree. In this way you find the value of x, that is exterior angle, as 70 degree. Now let us do the fifth part. In fifth part, meanwhile you copy this, I am drawing the figure. In fifth part, the figure is like this, where this is 50 degree, this also is 50 degree, and exterior angle is x. So as we have done the first and third part, in the same manner we'll be doing this also. So exterior angle over here is x, and interior opposite angles are, because see of this exterior angle, the adjacent angle is this, and the leftover angles apart from this are these two. So these will be the two interior opposite angles. So in that way we will write here 50 degree plus 50 degree, and in this way we find that the value of x is 100 degree. Now let's move on to question number 2. I hope that question number 1 is clear to everyone. So let's move on to question number 2 now. In question number 2, what is said in the question is, find the value of the unknown interior angle. Now what has happened is, one of the interior angle is given and exterior angle also is given to people, and you have to find the one that is not known in the interior angle. So in question number 2, we will be doing the first part right now, and here the figure is made like this, where this is 50 degree, this is x, and this is 115 degree. Now, as you people know that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle, and here the measure of exterior angle is given as 115. So this is 115 degree. Now sum of interior opposite angles. So interior opposite angles are 50 degree and x. So we will add 50 degree and x. Now we have to find the unknown variable, that is x. That is why what we will do is we will transpose this 50 towards LHS, and since this is plus over here, if there is no sign, it means it is positive. So when it will be getting transposed, so it will become 50, and this is equal to x. In this way, x equals to 115 minus 50 is 65 degree. So in this way, you find the value of x over here as 65 degree. If you want, you can also add these two angles to cross check whether you have done it correct or not. So if you add 50 and 65, so 50 plus 50 is 100, and this 50 will be giving you 115 degree. Now let's move on to the third part. In third part, let us first draw the figure, and the figure is that it is right angle. The figure is this. Okay, here it is 90 degree. This angle is x, and over here this is given as 125 degree. Now, as you know that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, exterior angle over here is 125 degree equals to sum of interior opposite angle. So x plus this symbol tells you that it is 90 degree, it is right angle, so plus 90 degree. Now let us find out the value of x. Then for finding out the value of x, you will transpose this 90. So 125 minus 90 degree is equal to x. In this way, x equals to 125 minus 90 will be 35 degree. So once again, to cross check whether we have done it correct or not. So this is 35 now. This is 35 degree. Now when you add 35 and 90, you get 125 degree. Now let us do the fifth part. In fifth part, the figure that is made is like this. Okay, where this is 30 degree, this is x, and this one is 80 degree. Now, as you know that exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. That is why exterior angle is 80 degree equals to sum of interior opposite angles is 30 degree plus x. So x equals to 80 degree minus 30 degree, and in this way you get 50 degree. For cross checking, if this is 50 degree, so 50 plus 30 is 80 degree. But what we have done over here is this 30 I have transposed, so it became 80 minus x. See, I am showing you. You might be getting some of you might be getting confused. What is happening over here? So I am showing one more way of doing this, so that you don't get confused what is happening. As you know that if we are having weighing balance, so if we are placing the weight over here and the products over here, or if we are placing the weight over here and product over here, does not matter, because we can shift it in this manner also. So in the same manner, when there is an equation, in that case also, if you are writing this 30 plus x over here and this 80 over here, that also will be same. So you can also write it in this manner: sum of interior opposite. Okay, I am doing it over here so that you have enough space. So you people can also write this as sum of interior opposite angle equals to exterior angle. Okay. Now sum of interior opposite angle I am doing fifth only, so that you have solution of both, and you can opt any of the methods. So sum of interior opposite angle. So interior opposite angle is 30 degree and x. So 30 degree plus x equals to exterior angle. Exterior angle is 80 degree. Now x equals to 80 degree, and this you are transposing. So minus 30 degree equals to 50 degree. So in this way you can opt any of the methods, either this or this. So I hope that it is clear to you people. So the rest of the homeworks you can do it as your homework. So now we'll be meeting in the next video to do rest of the part.